Man, this guy's tough. Alright, if you're gonna pay for it. Try if you can. Oh, because you made all people shadowed doesn't mean you can ruin the world. You think you can defeat me? Well, we'll see about that. Alright, so let's play. Wait, I'm alive? Man, this guy's tough. Alright, if you're gonna pay for this. You think I'm understandable for hurting my friends? This afternoon, my friend Maya misunderstood. My friend Maya had been horrible with this science project. She was so depressed and sad. I came there to help her. So don't you destroy her.